Welcome to all. Hello, dear students. I am Sagar Avade, working as a lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department, CSMSS College of Polytechnic, Aurangabad. This is the fifth lecture on topic Simple Stress and Strain. After watching this video, you will be able to solve the examples based on principle of superposition having uniform cross-sectional area. A mild steel bar of cross-sectional area 500 mm square is acted to the force by an axial force as shown in figure. Calculate the total elongation of bar. Take E is equal to 200 kN per mm square. Here in this diagram, a MS bar, that is mild steel bar, having uniform cross-sectional area 500 mm square is given, and Young's modulus E is equal to 200 kN per mm square is also given. And to find the total elongation of bar, here the diagram is given. Now given area A is equal to 500 mm square, and this Young's modulus 200 kN per mm square is converted into Newton per mm square, that is 200 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per mm square, and find the change in length of bar, that is total elongation. Now once again, here we have drawn given diagram here, and now consider the section 1-1 in the portion of AB. Here in the portion of AB we have considered section 1-1. After that, this is the left hand side of the section, and this total side is the right hand side of that section. Here we consider the section 1-1 in which the right side forces is always positive and left side forces is always negative. Move towards right side and move towards left side. So first of all, consider left section to the section 1-1. This is left section. In that section there is only one force, that is 60 kN, and which is moved towards left side, so it is taken as negative. So L is equal to minus 60, P is equal to minus 60 kN. This minus sign indicates the force is moved towards left side. So the value is P is equal to 60 kN, and this symbol indicates move towards left side, or it is negative force. Now consider right section. In that section 1, 2 and 3, these three forces are acting in right side portion. So 30 is moved towards right side, so it is taken as plus 30. 10 is moved towards left side, so it is taken as negative, that is minus 10, and this 40 is moved towards right side, so it is plus 40. Here P is equal to plus 30 minus 10, here minus sign indicates move towards left side, and plus 40. So the final answer is P is equal to 60 kN positive, so it is moved towards right side. Here P is equal to 60 kN, move towards right side. Now once again draw the section AB. Here section AB length is 1 meter. Now the force here, right hand force, is moved towards right side. Here move towards right side, and the value is P is equal to 60 kN, and this is left portion, and this P force is moved towards left side here as shown in figure, and P is equal to 60 kN. Here in this diagram, the tensile type of forces act on the body. As we know that the tensile force is always positive and compressive force is always negative. So once again here we have drawn the diagram, and now put the value. Tensile force P is equal to 60 kilonewton, convert it into Newton. 60 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Length 1 meter. This 1 meter is converted into mm, that is 1000 mm. Area is given. A is equal. So here change in length delta L1 is equal to PL upon AE. Put all the values here. P is equal to 60 into 10 raised to 3 into 1000 upon area is given, that is 500, and Young's modulus is also given, that is 200 into 10 raised to 3. After calculating, we are getting the value of delta L1 is equal to 0.6 mm. Now consider the section in the portion of BC. Consider section 2 in the portion of BC. Here again these two forces are in the left hand side and these two forces are in the right hand side. So consider section 2. The force move towards right side is positive and the force move towards left side is negative. So in left section 2 there are two forces. Here 30 move towards right side, so it is positive, and this 60 is moved towards left side, so it is negative. So P is equal to plus 30 and minus 60. So the P is equal to minus 30 kilonewton. This minus 30 indicates force is moved towards left side. Here P is equal to 30 kilonewton and move towards left side. So right section, here once again this 10 move towards left side, so it is taken as negative, and this 40 kilonewton is moved towards right side, so it is taken as positive. Here minus 10 plus 40. So P is equal to 30 kilonewton. The answer is positive, so the force is moved towards right side. Here P is equal to 30 kilonewton, force is moved towards right side. Once again we have drawn here section BC. In that section, this is left hand portion on which the force is moved towards left side, and the value of that force is P is equal to 30 kilonewton. Here in right portion, the force is moved towards right side and the value is P is equal to 30 kilonewton. Once again here tensile force, so value of P is 30 kilonewton positive. Here once again the diagram is drawn. Now P is equal to 30 kilonewton, convert it into Newton, that is 30 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Length 1.5 meter, which is equal to 1500 mm. Now delta L2 is equal to PL upon AE. Put value of P, L, A and E here. Now the equation becomes delta L2 is equal to 30 into 10 raised to 3 into 1500 upon 500 into 200 into 10 raised to 3. So the answer is delta L2 is equal to 0.45 mm. Now consider section CD. Here in that section consider the section 3. Now this side forces are left hand side forces and this force is right hand side force. So consider section 3. Once again right side forces are positive and left hand side forces are negative. So left section, here there are three forces to the left section of 3, that is 10 kilonewton move towards left side, so it is negative, so it is minus 10, plus 30. Here the plus because the force is moved towards right side, and minus 60 because the 60 is moved towards left side. So P is equal to minus 10 plus 30 minus 60. So the answer becomes P is equal to minus 40 kilonewton. This minus sign indicates force is moved towards left side. So the P is equal to 40 kilonewton moved towards left side. In right section there is only one force, that is P is equal to 40 positive because it is moved towards right side. So P is equal to 40 kilonewton move towards right side. Once again we have drawn here section CD. In that section, in left portion the force is moved towards left side. The value is 40 kilonewton, and here the right hand side portion P force is moved towards right side and the value is 40 kilonewton. Once again here we have drawn the diagram. P is equal to 40 kilonewton, which is equal to 40 into 10 raised to 3. This is tensile type of force, so value of P is positive. L is equal to 2 meter, that is 2000 mm. So delta L3 is equal to PL upon AE. Put all the values. 40 into 10 raised to 3 into 2000 divided by 500 into 200 into 10 raised to 3. So delta L3 is equal to 0.8 mm. So for total elongation or total change in length of bar, delta L is equal to delta L1 plus delta L2 plus delta L3. Put here all the values. 0.6 plus 0.45 plus 0.8. So the answer is 1.85 mm positive. This positive sign indicates there is increase in length of bar. So increase in length of bar is equal to 1.85 mm. Thank you.